SpaceX's ambitious Starlink project just got a major boost with a pre-dawn launch. In the early hours of October 16th, SpaceX successfully deployed 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, marking another milestone in their rapid expansion. But here's the twist. This launch was originally scheduled for October 15th, but a last-minute delay kept everyone on the edge of their seats. The launch, which took place at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, aimed to enhance SpaceX's growing satellite constellation. With this addition, the network now boasts an impressive 8,600 satellites in orbit, according to expert Jonathan McDowell. And SpaceX isn't slowing down. This was their 130th Falcon 9 launch this year, with 91 of those supporting the Starlink constellation. The mission, dubbed Starlink 1052, lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at 5:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, just hours after a Falcon 9 launch in California for the Space Development Agency. The weather played a crucial role, with meteorologists predicting a 95% chance of favorable conditions, despite potential interference from cumulus clouds. And the drama didn't end there. The landing zone for the Falcon 9 first stage booster, B195, was considered a moderate risk. However, SpaceX successfully navigated this challenge, mirroring the successful landing during the Kuiper Falcon 03 mission. This marked the third flight for B195, which had already launched 2 Starlink missions in 2025. The booster landed on SpaceX's drone ship, just read the instructions, just over 8 minutes after liftoff, making it the 138th landing on this vessel and the 519th booster landing overall. SpaceX's rapid launch cadence and expanding Starlink network are impressive, but they also spark debate. Some argue that the increasing number of satellites could lead to orbital congestion and space debris concerns. But is this a necessary trade-off for global internet coverage? What do you think? Are we witnessing a new era of space exploration and connectivity? Or should we be more cautious about the potential drawbacks?